har du den.
Ja. Idiot. Ja, det var ju få veck. Ja, det går an. Good morning, YouTubers. Here's Hubertus again. I'm back again in the garage workshop from Iwan. All the video clips are gone, so I have done something stupid, I think. But that's how it is. Shit happens all the time. So, take a little view over it again. There is, I think, what, 8 bolts even?
Ja,
4. 4 bolts in, or secured with Loctite. And then a new gasket and all the things on behind. So that's Iwan did it. Then we have here the overhaulings kit. But there is something missing, a little needle, a little needle bearing. So we have ordered this yesterday. That comes here from Europe, and he has also ordered a new gear. Isn't it, Iwan?
Yes, a new gear for the
axle here.
Yeah.
Okay. And
that
did you order from Australia?
Yeah. It's enforced gear.
Okay.
With a longer spline.
Yes.
So it won't wear out so quickly.
Yeah.
Much stronger.
Much stronger.
Yeah.
This goes far out into here, isn't it?
This is a new gear that I bought.
Okay.
But I decided to go for the enforced version with the longer splines.
Okay.
You see this pick up only a part of the axle.
Yes.
So the new gear has a much longer collar.
Okay, yeah,
Take off all the spline.
Yes, okay, indeed.
Because I'm not going to use the PTO winch.
Okay.
I don't have it, so I don't need to have the gear for the winch on.
Well,
so this is a spare part that I can have for later or maybe sell.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, so, as I said yesterday, it looks very nice and it's very perfect, so no problems with it. And as I said, it will be ready for 400,000 kilometers.
Yes, I hope so.
But not in your time, as you said yesterday, not in your time. But that's a lot of K if you have to drive it. I think.
Coffee.
Yeah, thank you.
Coffee for the old guys.
Yes. We take a part of this. This is the for the clutch.
Clutch housing, yes.
Clutch housing, yeah. Okay, yeah. This was a nice painted.
Yeah, new paint on.
New paint. And also this is the other part for the transmission.
Yes.
And that is coming out there again.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, have we forgot something more?
I think that's it.
That's it, yeah.
The other part you have video.
In the first video, yes.
First bit?
Yeah. Okay.
I have to wait for the needle bearing. That was quite annoying.
Yeah.
To sit a little needle bearing inside this axle.
Yes.
And that didn't follow the rebuild kit.
Okay.
So now I have to wait 2 to 3 weeks before it arrives.
Okay.
So I can't do anything further.
But that's the needle part is coming from Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it takes.
Yes.
They have to order it.
Yes, and the other comes from Australia.
Yeah, the gear came from Australia.
Okay. Well, then have we so for the most rest of the framework is for later on. You want to work a bit? Hi, thanks for taking a new video again. So I do my best to make something nice out of it. I take some pictures of it, okay?
Okay.
I was sure u het not hurt liggen.